Now, after the picture is inserted, we can select it and we can resize it or crop it to make it fits within this area available and to be more than 50%. So we will make it just like this, and he gives us the layout for after the picture will be clear in the step 30. After this he says enter your name, center number and candidate number. Center align this text in the white area below the blue line at the bottom of the master slide. In here he wants us to write our name, center number, candidate number in here in the master slide to be black 12-point bold sans serif font. The sans serif, we know that it's already the Arial. It should look like this, and he gives you the layout. So I will make insert text box, and I will make it here in the center of the blank area under the blue line at the bottom of the master slide. I will make it left align. I will write my name, center number and candidate number. I can resize it a little bit to make it fits. Then I can move it to adjust it to be in the center, and I can make it also centered to be centered here, and it doesn't overlap any of the items, so I have to move it down away from the line. Add the text Suba Scuba left aligned. Now we didn't make this one, he wanted to be black, so from home menu we will select first our name, center number and candidate number, and go from home menu from the font color to select it as black, and from the font size to select it to be 12, and to make it to be from the font type we make it to be Arial. Then in 31 he wanted to be he want to add the text Suba Scuba left aligned in a dark blue 48 sans serif font at the top of the master slide. This should be above the blue line, it means to be here. So from insert menu, text box, I will come here and type give it to left and write my Suba Scuba. Then I will make it dark blue. From home menu I will select it first, then from the home menu go to the font type and make it dark blue, then 48 from the font size, sans serif it will be Arial. At the top, this is the top, to be left I can move it to be to the more left here, and it doesn't overlap any of the lines. After this he says set the following styles for the presentation. So till here we finished our format or our design for the master slide. We can see now from view normal, we can see that each slide from our 3 slides having the Suba Scuba, having the slide number, having our name, center number, and candidate number, and the picture we added, and the pale blue background, and the 3 lines formatted as he asks to us. Now we don't need the clip art anymore, we will close it. Now he said some formats for heading, subheading, and bulleted list. This is related to the contents of the slides we are going to type. So for the heading he gives us a specific format, for subheading other format, for the bulleted list other format. He said on each slide add text and images to the main white area of the slide. No text or objects should overlap any items on the master slide. So each content of the normal slides will not overlap the master slide contents or items. After this, he said, on the first slide, enter the heading new website. This slide had a title or a heading and a subtitle, but I have to remove my title and subtitle so it will not overlap my items of the master slide. He said, enter the heading new website. I will type new website. What is the format for the heading? As he said before, the step 33, I will select it. Dark blue from home menu. Font type, I will make it dark blue. Left aligned, make it left aligned. Large font to be 60 points, so from the font size I will select it to be 60. He didn't mention any format for the font type, so I will leave it as it is. Enter the subheading. Where is the subheading? It's the subtitle, proposed web pages. So I will come here and delete the typing and make propose web pages. Then I will select it and make the format for the subheading. It's only blue from home menu. I will select it to be blue. Center aligned, it's already centered. Medium font 30 points, so I will select it to be 30. If you don't have the 30 in your list, just type 30 by your numbers and press enter. Add the following presenter notes to this slide. This notes is for the presenter to remember something about these slides that he has to mention when he makes the presentation or for the public. So this is the blank area below the slide. This is for the presenter notes. I will click on it by my mouse, bring it to the left and write my notes. Till here I finished the note he already gives us. And finished my first slide. Then he says, on the second slide,